Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. So this video was a little bit different than what I normally do. I didn't do my intro like I normally do and stuff like that. But what we've done is we've done a couple of pork tenderloins. And I did them out there on that Santa Maria attachment for a Weber Kettle. And I'm telling you, this stuff is very, very good. So I found this at my local Kroger. It's their private selection Applewood's Smoke Honey Maple Barbecue Sauce. And basically I just use that as a marinade. I made slits in the pork tenderloins, and then I poured this into a bag and put the tenderloins in it and just stuck them in the fridge. About every hour I went and flipped them around and kind of let that sauce kind of meld into the meat a little bit. And then when I took them out of the bag, I hit them with Pit Boss pulled pork seasoning, barbecue rub, and I really like this stuff. It's real good. And then built a little fire in that Santa Maria and just put them on there and just kind of was out there monitoring. Now it's 30 degrees out there today, so we're talking, you know, I kept flipping them around and kept the fire stoked. We're talking about 45 minutes to get up to 140. And then I brought them in, put foil over the top of it, and just left it here on the counter for 10 minutes. And then we started cutting it. It was still very, very warm. I ended up getting a fork to kind of hold it into place as I sliced it up. But these tenderloins are delicious. And you know, it was super easy to do. The marinade worked out great. Added enough sauce to it, and then putting a little bit of seasoning on top of it. They came out delicious. And I love that Santa Maria attachment. I love cooking over open fire like that, even if it is 30 degrees outside. But yeah, so this was my second cook on that, and it's been so much fun playing around with it. So like I always say, thank you for watching. Hope you liked the way I did this video. You know, just me out doing it, really not talking about what I did till the end here. But like I always say, you can do this too. It's not that hard. Till next time, my friends. Grill on.